These alarm sounds apply to the Honeywell XC100D. If the power LED is flashing red, the sound emitted is a continuous 4 chirps for 60 seconds, then once every 30 seconds. This means dangerous levels of CO detected. Please follow emergency procedures. If the light indicator is off, there is a continuous 4 chirps. This means dangerous levels of CO have been detected by an interconnected alarm. Please follow emergency procedures. If the red LED is flashing once per minute, the sound emitted is a chirp once per minute. This means dangerous levels of CO were detected whilst the user was absent. No dangerous CO level at present. Please follow emergency procedures. If the light indicator is off, the sound emitted is a continuous 3 chirps. This means a fire was detected by an interconnected alarm. Please contact emergency services. If the blue LED is flashing once, twice or 3 times every 30 seconds, increasing the longer CO is detected, the sound emitted is 1, 2 or 3 chirps every 30 seconds, increasing the longer CO is present. This means the dangerous CO condition is building up. Please follow emergency procedures. If the amber LED is flashing 3 times every minute, the sound emitted is 3 chirps per minute. This means the wireless module is not working correctly. Please refer to the wireless module manual for further details. If the amber LED is flashing every minute, the sound emitted is a chirp once per minute. This means end of life. Please replace the alarm. If the green LED is flashing every minute, the alarm is silent. This means normal operating mode. No action required. Please regularly test your alarms and advise friends and family to do the same. Thank you.